So, welcome back, people. Today we will be learning about strings. So, what are strings? String is an array of bytes representing an Unicode character. Unlike any other languages like Java or C, Python does not have a character data type. So, single character is simply a string with a length of 1. That is correct. Number of characters present in the string is represented as length of the string. A string is an object. Now, to understand objects, let us think of an remote control of a TV. Now, remote control is an object and it has a bunch of capabilities. Say, it has many buttons, a button for switching the TV on, to change the volume, and so on. Similar to real world object like remote controller, an object in Python also has a bunch of capabilities. So when you type variable dot, that is the name of the variable is, you will be provided with the list of method functions or the capabilities that are available for that particular object. These are technically functions that you can call just like print or input functions. But the difference is print and input functions are called as general purpose functions and they do not belong to a particular object. But the function you see in the drop down menu are specific to a string or an object. To be more accurate, we refer to them as methods. So, whatever function is part of an object, we refer to them as methods. Let's look at an example. One of the most commonly used method is upper. The upper method run the script. You will see that the output is a string or all with all upper characters. So what it does is takes the variable value in the variable and convert every character in the variable into an uppercase character and then prints it. So what you have to understand here is that upper method does not change the original string. It just returns a new string. So to understand this, we will print the same variable again. So now you will see that the print with method prints the variable value of the variable with the upper character, and without the upper method prints the value of the variable with in the same as before. So now you will understand what I am trying to say. Similarly, we have another method called lower, which is the opposite of upper. It converts the string to lowercase. Let's try that out. So now if you see, every character is in lowercase. This is the use of lower. Now let's look into another method called find. To see if a string has a certain character or a sequence of character, we can use find method. Let's say we have to find out lowercase t in the string. So when you run this program, you'll see that you get an output of 6. Why is the output 6? To understand this, you have to understand in Python, index of the first character in the string is 0. S is the index of S is 0 and U is 1, P is 2, another P is 2, O is 3, and 4, 5, 6, and so on. So the character T is at the sixth index, and that's why we have an output 6. Also, you have to understand that if we don't have a specific character that we put here, let's say W, and let's try running the program again, you'll see we have the output as -1, which means the character is not present in the string. Now you would know what the use of find. We can also pass a substring, which is a sequence of characters, and you will get the index of the first character of the substring. Let's say we have to find tick in the string. So when you run this program, you will see 11 as the output. As we already said, S is in 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Space is also considered as 10 and tick is in 11. T is in 11. So that's why you get 11 as output. We also have another method called replace. We will see an example. When we run this program, okay, we have to erase this first. Now if we run this program, we will get supporting beginners as output instead of supporting tech. Now I have a small exercise for you. Check what happens when you try to replace a character that does not exist in a string. If you have tried, you would have find that nothing really happens. Just like upper method, replace method does not modify the original string, but gives out a new string. This is because strings are immutable, just like many other programming languages in Python. So with this, we will come to a conclusion